माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो एक बहुत ही ज्यादा फन वीडियो होने वाला है। सो एज यू रेड द टाइटल, वी आर गोना डू सम blindfold challenge with fashion. So I've seen a couple of videos like this and मुझे उनको देखने में बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आई थी. So I thought why not make one. So what we're going to do in this video, I have two boxes here. एक बॉक्स में मेरे सारे टॉप्स है, फ्रॉम क्रॉप टॉप्स, नॉर्मल टॉप्स, सारे ही है. एंड दूसरे बॉक्स में I have all the bottoms here, from skirts, jeans, joggers and everything that I probably own. So what we're going to do is I'm going to blindfold myself and then randomly मैं एक टॉप उठाऊंगी and similarly एक bottom उठाएंगे. Then I'm going to try it on and we'll see how it looks like. It's just having some fun with fashion. And I am hoping कि हमको इस चैलेंज में से कोई अच्छे आउटफिट्स मिल जाएंगे. So yeah, I'm quite excited. If you are too, then please keep on watching. Okay, so blindfold के नाम पे I have this hairband over here जो मैं लगाने वाली हूँ. And let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm all blind. So पहले टॉप से शुरू करते हैं. Okay, this is my first top. Let's go with bottom. Bottoms are so big. This. Okay, I have this cow print pant here जो मैंने कभी नहीं पहनी आज तक. Oh, and we have a crop top. So this is our first fit. Let's try it. This is how our first outfit looks like. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. As ये black and white है, इसके साथ कोई भी color like a dark color बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. So this is going perfectly well with this and I love it. So इस outfit के लिए मेरी तरफ से it's a huge thumbs up. Okay, so moving on, let's do round 2. Okay, let's do bottom first. Okay, tops. Okay. ऐसी चीजें निकल रही जो मैं कभी नहीं पहनती हूँ. I don't wear this top ever, but it's ऐसा है, बहुत pretty है. Oh, and my favorite skirt. I love this skirt. ये भी दोनों काफी अच्छे. Oh my god, I was expecting कुछ ऐसा अलग होगा, like you know the outfits that I really cannot wear, but till now going really good. Let's try this on. This is how the second outfit looks like. मुझे ये भी बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. I am loving how this skirt and this top is looking. Again इसका भी same है क्योंकि ये black and white है. इसके साथ कोई भी dark color बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा, especially these bright colors. ये neon green top would go really well with this. So yeah, ये भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Big thumbs up for this outfit. Okay, let's go round 3. Okay, this. Oh my god, pretty stuff. Oh no, I have my gym track over here and a net top. ये तो थोड़ा I think मैंने बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए था. मैंने बोलने के बाद ही कुछ ऐसा निकल के आया. But ठीक है, never mind. Let's try it on. So here is my third outfit और ये इतना बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है. Like I'm not that disappointed क्योंकि ये बहुत ऐसे लूज फिटेड टॉप है और ये नीचे का बहुत ज्यादा स्किनी है. ऑल्सो बिकॉज दोनों कलर्स एक ही फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं. सो आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट लुकिंग दैट बैड. Okay, so I am having a lot of fun doing this. पहले तो आउटफिट्स तो काफी अच्छे थे, बट ये लास्ट वाला तो मैं कभी नहीं सोचती पहनने का. So yeah, I think I'm having a lot of fun. I hope आपको भी मजा आ रही होगी. If you are liking this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, let's move on to round 4. Yeah, 4 I think. Okay, let's begin. I don't know, man. Okay. Okay, I don't have a good feeling about this, but let's see. As I said, मुझे पता था ये कुछ मेरे को हाथ लगाने लग रहा था. मैंने गलत उठा लिया है. I think मैंने कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहिए था. Seriously, because after that, I don't know what is happening. I have a blue colored top over here with a leather skirt. ठीक है, colors bearable. Okay, देख पहनने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कैसे लग रहा है. So let's quickly try it on. Fourth outfit looks like. I have a very mixed opinion about this. एक second के लिए लग रहा है yeah it's a good outfit, and दूसरे मिनट लग रहा है कि no what am I wearing. So yeah, so I've paired up with these white boots. इसके वजह से the outfit has still come together and is looking decent. Otherwise I don't know, it was a no, but इसके साथ ठीक लग रहा है, like very decent. So वो इतना भी ज़्यादा बुरा नहीं था, like it was decent. Okay, let's go ahead. Round 5. Okay, let's do tops first because what time से top है very randomly I'm going to put it up this. Okay, next. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this. Okay, this I kinda like it. Like the combination at least. I don't know ये top और joggers कैसे लगेगा. Let's quickly try it. So this is how the next outfit looks like. I am loving how the color combination is looking. इस joggers के साथ मैं अभी तक सिर्फ dark browns pair कर रही थी, but colors are looking so good. Especially this lemon yellow is looking really good. इसके साथ मैंने नीचे sneakers डाले हुए हैं and I'm loving the entire look. Okay, so at this point 5 outfits हो चुके हैं and I thought of stopping here, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रही है, so I thought let's do 2 more. So let's quickly do our 6th fit. Okay. Next. Are there 2? I think this one is 1. Okay, pretty. Oh my god, denim shorts. So denim shorts and a pretty top. It's again not so bad. So इन दोनों को देख के I'm thinking like I think I just have very safe clothes क्योंकि मेरा कोई भी top मेरे कोई भी bottom के साथ बहुत easily जा रहा है. And I was thinking कि पता है कैसे weird outfits होंगे, but no, I am getting pretty good outfits. But if you ask me that अगर मैं ये सोचती पहले कभी पहनने का, so no, but I can totally wear this outside. So I think there is a point of this video that I've actually got a few nice outfits. Let's quickly try this one. This is how my next outfit looks like. So for this outfit I've paired nude heels with this, and I think it's a thumbs up from my side for this outfit. And yeah, okay, so moving on to our last pair of clothes. Let's go number 7 and the last one. I think this was the best part of this video. This is a top. What is it doing in the... Okay, let's do this again. So this is, I was saying that this is the best part of this video. What is this? What are tops doing here? Oh my god, why have I mixed up things? Are we done? Are there any more tops here? No. और मेरे दो हाथ में आया गिरेगा. Okay, let's go. So this is the best part of this video, to choose randomly. I don't know what is that. Okay, next. Oh my god, this is the last time I did this. Okay, disaster. Absolute disaster. I have these 2 things. And I don't even want to try it because ये बहुत बुरा लगने वाला है. But okay, let's try this and end this video. So this is how our last outfit looks like, and as we expected बहुत ही बेकार लग रहा है. मतलब oh my god, ये बिल्कुल मैच नहीं कर रहा है and the whole thing is not going together at all. So इसको मैंने फिर भी टक इन किया है. अगर इसको मैं बाहर निकालती हूँ, which I will show you, इतना बुरा लग रहा है ये. Oh my god, can you see this? It's looking so bad. So this was a real bad one. And इसको ऐसे थोड़ा तो भी decent लग रहा है. And नीचे I'm pairing these chappals which are little beige in color, so थोड़ा match हो जाए. But still it's a no. That was it for today's video. I personally had so much fun filming this video. I wouldn't say कि बहुत इधर उधर outfits थे. As I said before कि I think मेरे कपड़े बहुत ही safe है. किसी के साथ कुछ भी जा रहा है. But मैंने पहले नहीं सोचा था इनको pair up करने का. So I think that was all this video was about. I just hope आपको भी मजा आया होगा. And if you did have fun, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.